Hey everyone, welcome back to Battery Hacker, your top destination for all things battery related. In today's video, we're taking a close look at the Schumacher Electric SC1393 Charger. We'll cover its key specs, features, pros and cons, and at the end I'll wrap up with my own experience using it. So let's jump right in. Key specifications. Let's break down the essential details of the SC1393. Voltage. Automatic 6 or 12 volt operation. Amperage. 12 amp for fast charge, 3 amp for maintenance. Battery types. Standard and AGM. Protection. Reverse polarity and spark proof. Display. LED indicators. Features. The SC1393 boasts a microprocessor-controlled system that intelligently adjusts the charging rate based on your battery's condition. This means you don't have to worry about overcharging or undercharging your battery. The 12 amp fast charge mode is perfect for quickly reviving the drained battery, while the 3 amp maintain mode ensures your battery stays healthy between uses. One of the standout features of is its compatibility with both standard and AGM batteries. This versatility makes it a suitable choice for a wide range of vehicles. Additionally, the charger is equipped with reverse polarity protection, safeguarding your battery and the charger itself from damage. While it offers several advantages, it's essential to consider its limitations. Some users have reported that the charger's LED indicators could be more informative. Additionally, while it works well for most battery types, there might be specific battery chemistries it's less suited for. Pros and cons. Pros. Fully automatic operation. Fast charging. Compatible with standard and AGM batteries. Reverse polarity protection. Cons. Basic LED indicators. Might not be ideal for all battery chemistries. Conclusion. The Schumacher Electric SC1393 fully automatic battery charger and maintainer is a solid choice for anyone looking to keep their vehicle's battery in optimal condition. Its combination of features, including automatic operation, fast charging, and compatibility with various battery types, makes it a versatile and user-friendly option. While it might not have the most advanced features or the most informative display, the SC1393 delivers on its core functions reliably. If you're seeking a straightforward and effective battery charger that won't break the bank, this model is worth considering. If you want to know more about it, the link is given below in the description.